Now, builds are another essence of fills, really. So for long buildups, you want to kind of essentially do the same thing as I was doing before. Just have repeated short little loop going, and then make it in smaller increments until the drop here. There's a lot of ways to do it. Let's go ahead and do it with a MIDI track, because I find it's a lot easier than using it with a audio track. Let's go ahead and change color for you. Okay. So we want a... Yeah, that's about the right time. You want to figure out how much time of a build-up you want. This one should be good. So we want a note on, let's do C3. Okay, so let's throw on a sampler here. Instruments, simpler actually, instead of sampler, sorry. And we're gonna go and grab some big snares. That one's pretty good. Let's try this. And then let's see if we can get a good rhythm going here. And do something like that. All right. Sounds kind of stale and dry, right? Let's see if we can add some delays to it and see what we can get going here. All right, so just gonna double the notes up here. And then we're gonna do it even more right here. Okay, so now that we got the note placement in the way we want it, we're just gonna simply add a new sample, so we can swap out snares to see how each other one sounds to it, or see how each sample sounds with the same note pattern applied here. So let's go back to our pack here. Those probably would need more processing. Hard snare. That one's already in the key we want too. So let's swap you out. Okay, so let's freeze and flatten this thing. And then we can actually modulate the pitch now. Uh, Transposition. Let's try going up a full octave here. And then we want to do it on Complex Pro actually. Because if you do it on beats, it's good the algorithm stretches, or when you change the pitch of the sample, it stays it keeps it consistent with the quality rather than on beats. Let's try adding some claps. Okay, I think that's good for fills. It gives it, a nice idea, basic idea of a buildup, so we can get an idea of how the energy is going to sound when it comes up, and there's a lot of snares and claps and all that. And we can always add on to it later. As I find is once you get the idea going and you get to like at the arrangement section, this is where you're adding in new parts and just kind of letting it play over and over and just kind of tuning it by ear to figure out where you want to add stuff and take out stuff and everything. So that should be enough for the fills for now for our core idea.